Good morning. Well, we have a big day today. Of course, when you see this, all this will be over, but today is open house. So we're having an open house at the visitor center and museum, and we're having two different open houses. One for the local businesses to come and share with us what they do, so we can, when we have visitors, we can tell our visitors, go to this place if you want this, or go to that place if you want this. So then after that, we're having a community open house. So we are gonna be busy. I think it starts at 4 to 6:30. We're just running them together. So I am on my way to the grocery store. We're having snacks. So I'm making a few things. So what I was trying to say is we're gonna have some snacks. So I'm at Dollar General. I need to get some stuff for myself and get some stuff for the museum, visitor center. So I have my list. Then I need to go to the grocery store and do a little bit there. Yeah, so thought I'd bring y'all along, see what we're doing today. Some things I need to prepare for the snacks, so we'll see if I include all that in this video. Are you not doing anything, Finn? Say, I'm not doing nothing with the trash. No, I'm not. Really? I'm not. I don't think you're supposed to be on the trash bag. He says, well... Ooh, look at the full moon over the mountain. Well, this is the first, isn't it? Actually, second. When's the first time I rode? Well, actually, that's third. When my truck was in the shop at Yuma.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So,
the first time, to answer your question, was in 2020.
2020?
Before we even started traveling together. You went with me out to where...
Yeah, I guess that's... Or 2021, January 2021.
I guess maybe yeah. But it was right after Phoenix was born.
Oh, yeah. Phoenix was born, and here we are. Anyway...
5-6 years later.
Yeah. I'm riding with her to go, we're gonna go meet Rob at Mexican food restaurant, and she needs to get water. I'm gonna get creamer at the store, and I need to stop at Dollar General.
She's not used to riding in Phoenix with all the shake, rattle, and roll noises.
Yeah. I feel like I'm having to talk really loud. I need a microphone, right? Who in the heck goes to little bitty grocery store in Angel Fire on the 3rd of July? Everybody's getting all their party stuff for the 4th, and don't know about myself sometimes. Yeah, let's get out of here. Well, happy 4th of July. I don't have my sunglasses. Oh well. Don't know when you'll see this because I'm so far behind on videos. But I am headed to the fire department for... I can't even get the seatbelt on. Going to the fire department to pick up barbecue dinners. We got these dinners a few years ago. It's so good. So anyway, that's where I'm headed. To the fire department. They already have the chairs out for the parade. I thought the line was going to be a lot longer, but it isn't. Sweet. It's got the goods. Got 4. One is a leftover for us later, and one's for Rob. So we'll have barbecue for a few days.
Yeah, baby.
As I turn on the video, is it good? Deborah says, yeah, baby.
Very good.
They're good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, baby.
Huh? So this morning I am making Hungry Jack hash browns. Yeah, I don't buy these very often, but they were $1 at where was that? Dollar General. So I'm gonna let that cook for a little while on that side, and then flip them or stir them or something.